everybody. I have a new story for you. It's called Don't Push the Button. That's one of my favorite books. It's really nice. Don't Push the Button. Written and illustrated by Cotter. To Mom and Dad, for always encouraging me, even when I pushing their buttons. Hi, my name is Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Don't push the button. Seriously, don't even think about it. It does look pretty nice, though. I wonder what happened if we pushed it. No, we can't. We mustn't. Psst, no one's looking. Push the button. One little push. Ah, I'm yellow. Push it again. Polka dot. Push it twice. Once more. Ah, now there's two of me. Push it a bunch of times. Twice more. One more. Uh-oh. Shake the book to get rid of all the extra layers. Shake the book. Ah! We gotta shake the book. Almost a little more. Okay, there we go. It says you have to scratch Larry's tummy to get him back to normal. That tickles. Okay, much better. Let's not push the button again. But that was kind of fun. Maybe just a couple more pushes. Once more. The end. Oh my god, that's like a silly playhouse. Whoa, now Larry's really big. The end. Hope you like this video. Give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you later in my next story. Bye, reader friends.